Welcome to part 2 of the Subagent tutorial on how agents can utilize the Condat CRM. In this video, we will walk you through how your sub-agent can submit college and visa applications, track their progress, use the collaborative space to communicate with the admission team, visa team, and monitor commission records. Please watch part 1 to learn how to create user accounts for sub-agents. After the accounts are created, sub-agents will receive an activation email that allows them to sign into their Condat account. Let's get started. The sub-agent is required to log into your Condat account. To initiate the application process, please select Add New Contact from the main navigation menu under Contacts. Complete the student details and notes. Once all details have been entered, click Add. The agency will be able to view the newly added contact under All Contacts. To initiate an application, please navigate to Service Applications. Click on Add Application and select Study in Australia. Next, choose the preferred institute, select the course and intake. The agent can assign it to their admission team using the Assign User option and click Submit. To monitor the application progress, proceed to the tracker where the agents can track the progress of all the applications based on stages. For visa applications, click on Visa Application, then select Add New Visa. Choose the visa type. The immigration fee will appear based on information you have added and includes the default service fee. Your agent can also view the checklist and send it to their client if required. Once it's done, you can click on Submit. Agents can check commission of each application by accessing the client profile by selecting the sub-agent account. For a comprehensive commission overview, navigate to Account, then Sub-agent Invoices. In this section, agents can review pending, paid, and future commissions invoices along with the respective due dates. The agents can use the Advanced Search feature to generate reports based on intake or a specific date. For enhanced communication, we recommend agent utilizing the collaborative space where you can create a group with your team to establish communication for any new or current inquiry, ensuring seamless coordination across all operations. Thank you so much for watching. Continue your learning journey with the next episode of our Condat CRM series designed to help you work smarter. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more Condat tutorials.